We have all been impacted by coronavirus or COVID-19, and we want to ensure that GDOT workplaces are safe. As we return to work, we need everyone's help to ensure everyone's safety and ensure that our workplaces are safe spaces. Staying equipped with the right information regarding this public health emergency is a priority. With correct information coming from organizations like the CDC, GDOT is learning more about COVID-19 every day. Here's what we know. The virus spreads quickly and easily between people. A person may contract the virus but never become sick, which means they may unknowingly spread the virus if they come in close contact with others. A person may contract the virus by touching a surface or object where the virus exists, and then touch their mouth, nose, or possibly their eyes. Currently, there is no vaccine to protect against the virus. The best way to prevent becoming ill is to avoid being exposed. So as we return to work, let's focus on many ways that each one of us can help prevent the spread of the virus. The first rule is to practice social distancing everywhere, all the time, to avoid coming in close contact with people who may be affected. Maintain a 6-foot distance between you and others outside your home. That includes the workplace, no matter where you work within GDOT. Cover your mouth and nose with a cloth face cover when around others. The cloth face cover is meant to protect other people in case you are infected and don't know it. Remember, you could unknowingly spread the virus to others even if you don't feel sick. GDOT will be providing each employee with 2 cloth, reusable, washable face covers. You may also wear your own face cover as long as it looks professional, unless you're in a public-facing job. Employees are also encouraged to wear a cloth face cover when going out in public. Employees should wear a face cover when they are transitioning to their work areas and when using common areas like break rooms, copiers, and restrooms. When you're wearing a mask, continue to maintain 6 feet between yourself and others. The cloth face covering is not a suitable replacement for social distancing. Cover your cough or sneeze. Throw away tissues in the trash. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. And as always, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. When using common areas or objects, clean and disinfect it for the next person. Whether the break room or copier room, courtesy and cleaning are necessary to stop the spread of the virus. Remember to disinfect the common objects and surfaces for the next person. These items include coffee pots, microwaves, tables, countertops, faucets, and sinks. Clean your workspace to include desks, phones, and keyboards. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Wash with soap and water right away when available. Do this always, especially before and after work shifts, before and after work breaks, after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, after using the restroom, before eating or preparing food, after putting on, touching, or removing cloth face coverings. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. It doesn't matter whether the water is hot or cold when using soap. Limit travel. If you must travel, take precautions and make preparations. Minimize non-essential travel, but if you must travel, follow state and local guidelines. Check yourself for COVID-19 symptoms before traveling. Notify your supervisor and stay home if you're showing symptoms or feeling sick. If you are feeling sick, stay home. It is every employee's responsibility to watch for symptoms. Learn to recognize these symptoms that may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. Cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fever, chills, muscle pain, sore throat, loss of taste or smell. These are not all the possible symptoms. Other, less common symptoms have been reported, including nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. If you're exhibiting any of these symptoms, please stay home. This will help keep illness out of the workplace. Georgia DOT is committed to a safe and healthy workplace, and we take great pride in the health and well-being of the GDOT family. Let's work together to ensure a safe and healthy workplace. With everyone's commitment, we will get through this and return to a healthy and productive workforce.